Okay, I haven't done any Lego really recently. I've been working on my art. Here's one I created some time ago. Zombie Crusher. As you can see, it's got a great ramp for pushing through hordes of zombies, a protected windshield for the driver to look out of, small rotating cannon up top, large wheels for driving over zombies, door to keep them out should they swarm the vehicle, some supplies and a fire extinguisher at back, a couple of anchors, don't know why, stability or for ramming zombies from behind in reverse. I just thought they looked cool. Has a couple of chains on it, a ramp that opens up, and inside the driver with a control cockpit. Like I say, made it some time ago, but thought I would do a video on this before it disappears. I get back into Lego and start creating some fresh vehicles. But there you go. I liked it. See you later.